If Telegram is showing the message, an error occurred, please try again. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Telegram working again on your computer. This issue is usually caused by a bad internet connection, a VPN or firewall blocking Telegram, cache data problems, or even the wrong connection settings inside the app. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your connection. Start by making sure your internet is actually stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection if possible. If you're already on a wired connection, try another network or reconnect to Wi-Fi and test again. Sometimes Telegram can fail simply because the network is dropping packets or having temporary issues. Also, if you have a VPN turned on, disable it for a moment and try Telegram again. The same goes for custom firewalls, security tools, or network filters that may be blocking Telegram servers in the background. If Telegram works after turning those off, then you've found the cause. Next, clear the app cache. Open Telegram desktop. Go to Settings, then choose Advanced. Inside the Advanced section, look for Storage or Manage Local Storage depending on your version of Telegram. From there, clear the local cache. This can help remove corrupted temporary files that may be preventing Telegram from loading properly or causing that error message to appear again and again. After clearing the cache, restart Telegram and test it once more. If the problem is still there, go back into Telegram's advanced settings and change the connection type. Telegram allows you to test different connection methods, including a direct connection and a system proxy. If the current method is not working well with your network, switching it can often solve the error immediately. Try one option, save it, and then reconnect to see if Telegram loads normally. If that doesn't fix it, move on to the final step, which is restarting and updating everything. Close any background apps that are using a lot of bandwidth, like downloads, streaming apps, cloud sync tools, or game launchers. Then restart your PC and also restart your router. A fresh restart clears temporary network glitches and can restore a stable connection to Telegram. Once everything is back on, open Telegram desktop and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and connection improvements, so using the newest version can make a big difference. If needed, check for updates manually and install them before trying again. By following these steps in order, you should be able to fix the Telegram error and get back into the app without any problems. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.